So we are working on a project which is a machine learning project. These are the important libraries which we are going to use: NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, sklibraries, and this is the description of the Boston dataset that we are going to use to predict the price of the house. We can see we can use DESCR to describe this, and we extract the features of the Boston library with the help of pandas, and these are the features that we can see: the crime rate, LSTAT, age, radians, and etc. We can extract one feature using the indexing, just like feature in bracket age, and there is also a target which is available in the Boston library or Boston dataset, which we have taken and calculated the minimum and the maximum value of the target. Now we have to concatenate the target into our dataset. So we use the concatenate function, concat function, to concatenate the target, and we used x is equal to 1. And after concatenating, we have to round up to the 2 decimal so that we can easily visualize the outputs. So the round function is used here, and this is the bar graph. This shows the correlation between the target and the rest of the features of the Boston library or the Boston dataset for predicting the house price. And this is the LSTAT values and the target values which we have stored in x and y. And now we have to normalize. So this is the code for the normalization. And after normalization, we have to find the error, update, and gradient descent. These are the 3 things which we are going to calculate for the prediction and training of our model. So the gradient descents. After calculating these things, we have to plot a scatter plot of our output so that we can visualize this. So this code plots the scatter plot of our output, where blue and red line indicates the prediction or linear regression plane, and the blue dots explain the outcomes. We have to label them as error and iterations. Iterations are the number of times it conducts the test, and the prediction is predicted value has been calculated using m into xt minus c, which is simply the formula of an line, and mean squared error using sklibraries or sklearners. We have calculated the mean squared error. After that, we have to predict the data. So we take the data frame and list, and then zip and then list it, the data x, target y, and predicted values. After all that, we just have to use our model so that we can predict the price of the house, and that's it. This is a machine learning program, a basic program to predict the house price.